Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add a text to your image with Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we're going to open the application. Then we need to select an image, so we're going to click on the plus icon. Here we need to select our preferred image, like so. Then at the bottom of our screen, we need to select Tools. We are going to scroll down and then Text. As you can see, it's already selected a pre-made style text like so, but we can change it right here. We have three options at the bottom of our screen. Color, which will change the color of the text like so. Opacity, which will change the opacity of the text or the background, more on that later. And the styles, which as you can see, I'm already in there. I'm going to select one of them, like this one. I'm going to select opacity. Here I can change how see-through is going to be, like so. But I can invert the background like so, so it will change it. I can also drag it around, like so. I'm going to drag it over here. Then I can also change the background's opacity like so, but I'm going to leave it on 100. And with the first tab, I can change the color of the background / text if we're not going to invert it. I'm going to invert it. And then I'm going to select this color over here. And as you can read it, if you double tap on the text, you can change what does it says. I'm going to type in something. Like so, and then it changed the text like so. I'm going to drag it here. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X mark, or we can apply those changes with the check mark. I'm going to apply them, of course. Then, if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export, which will show us four options. Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform. Save, which will save our image. Export, which will also save our image, but it will adjust it to what we set it on in the settings menu. And Export as will save the image to our preferred folder. I'm going to select Save, and we can view the image with the View button. I'm going to select Gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.